In this video, I am going to teach Reti opening. If white moves nf3, then it is called as Reti opening. Or that black replies with f5. White moves e4. Black captures the pawn so that he can dominate the center. F into e4. See here, the e4 pawn, it is threatening white knight. So white moves knight to ng5. There is an open space here, open file. So to block it, black moves n f6. White moves d3 so that it can capture this pawn and ensure in the center it can dominate. But black moves e3 or that white moves b into e3. Black moves e5, so it can dominate the center now. But for that, white moves d4. Black e into d4. White bishop into e4. Black moves nc6 so that it can threaten the bishop. For that, white moves ec4. Whatever may be the move for black, let's say black moves maybe here. Okay. For that, white can move this bishop here. Let's check. So king is forced to move here. And the white can attack using queen. Let's say they move here. King is outside, right? So now white can ensure lot of attacks. Okay, so this is strategy why bishop was moved to bc4. That's why to prevent that, bishop moves, black moves bishop d4. Let's check. To block it, white moves nc3. To prevent the movement of the bishop to f7, they block it and attack it using the pawn. Black moves d5. See here, it is blocking the movement of the bishop towards f7. At the same time, it is attacking the bishop. So white moves bishop d5. See, now the opportunity for both white and black is equal. After this, you can do any move and have a variation. Thank you. This is Reti opening 5th variation under equal advantage category. White moves knight f3 or black moves c5. White moves g3. Black moves c6. Or white moves bishop g2. This is Finachito as I have explained in earlier videos. For that, black moves g6. White protects the king under castling. That is, white does castling under king side castling. Further, black moves bishop g7. White moves d3. So for this, if black moves e6, then that is variation 3 and variation 4. But in variation 5, black moves e5. So to prevent this pawn from moving ahead, white moves e4 to block e5 pawn. So now black should prepare for castling. That's why it moves n g e7. For that, white moves and b d2. Now black does castling. For that, white moves a3. For that, black moves h6. So in this position, you can see that both white and black have equal advantage. Thank you. This is Reti opening under equal advantage category, variation number 10. F3. In the Reti opening under equal advantage category, variation number 6 to 9. The move was F6 from black. But now in the 10th variation, move changes. Black moves d5 for the for the nf3 of white. For this, white moves b3 so that he can end up in queen side Nachito. For that, black moves c5 so that it can give protection for this pawn, that is d5 pawn, when it is pushed to d4. For that, black moves bishop b2, so ensuring this square, that is d4 square, is guarded and also indirectly attacking the rook. For that, black moves e6. White moves e3 so that it can take out this bishop. So now if black takes out this bishop, then white bishop can capture g7, and no matter what, wherever the knight moves, the move will be followed by bishop into rook. This is a plan of white. So to prevent that, black moves f6 so that if bishop captures this knight, black can capture bishop by queen, not by pawn. So now white moves bishop b5 check. For black moves bishop d7. So now simply taking back this bishop is simply wasting the time. So white chooses for exchange. Exchange the meaning capturing the same points and losing the same points. For example, in this case, bishop is of 3 points. So white, when it captures black bishop, white gets 3 points, and when black captures white bishop, then black gets 3 points. So losing 3 points and gaining 3 points. This is called as exchange. So now bishop captures bishop. For that, black moves nb into d7, knight into bishop. is followed by castling on the king's side by white. Black moves bishop e7 so that it can do castling. For that, white moves c4 so that it can deviate this pawn away from the center, so that slowly it can dominate the center. For that, black moves d into c4. White moves d into c4. Black goes for castling on the king's side, followed by knight c3 by white. So this knight ensures guarding this square, that is e4 as well as d5. So slowly it can move ahead and dominate the center. For the black moves queen c7. So in this position, both white and black has equal advantage. This is Reti opening under equal advantage category, variation number 10. Thank you.